Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In the previous video, I mentioned that I was designing a serial interface for the Mark-8. Well, the PCB is finally here. Keep in mind that this is the first revision, so things might change in the future. This serial board requires 2 input and 2 output ports from the Mark-8 Minicomputer. Unfortunately, because of the way the input ports board is designed, we cannot use the bus lines for moving data to and from the serial board, which is why we have direct connections for each input and output port. Additionally, the serial board has connections for positive 12 and negative 12 volts. This is used for transmission of serial data. While it might be possible to use positive 5 and negative 5 volts, not all serial devices will support that, which is why it's recommended to use positive 12 and negative 12 volts, but any connections between negative 15 and positive 15 should be okay. Fortunately, the power supply that I'm using for the computer already has positive 12 and negative 12 volts. Let's go ahead and get started with the assembly. If you're interested in acquiring a board for yourself, I will leave a link in the description for that. I will also include an option for a kit, which will include all the necessary components to get this board up and running. Additionally, be sure to check out the GitHub link, since it's going to have a lot more information about the board. We will be using the board layout and parts list to determine the location of each part. Let's get started.